Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Trust and this is a TS Tech Talk video. If you are making use of Midjourney and you want to create some awesome images, all you need is actually the prompt. And if you do not know a lot of prompts, then you find it challenging. So on today's video, I am going to share with you some prompt and their result or their display on today's video. So let's dive in. You are going to see the prompt and you're going to see the real image on this video. So let's get to it. I hope it's helpful. Now, watch.